Hi, welcome to Jodoo. This is Estella. Today, we're excited to introduce the Batch Edit feature, your new best friend for quick and efficient updates. With Batch Edit, you can now edit several entries in just a few clicks. Now, follow along as we show you how to use this powerful feature. Batch Edit is available to admins and members with the appropriate permissions. If you're an admin, you can batch edit records in the Manage Data section. There are two options for batch editing: edit all records or edit filtered records. First, let's walk through editing all records. After selecting Batch Edit and choosing All Data, you'll see a window where you can modify fields using a formula, set a fixed value, or leave the value empty. For example, let's increase the price of all products by 10%. We select the price field and choose Formula from the drop-down list. Then, click Edit to configure the formula. Once the formula is set, click OK. After a few seconds, all records will be updated successfully. Setting a fixed value is just as easy. When you select Fixed Value, all the records will be updated with the same value. If we want to change the price of all products to 20, simply select Fixed Value, enter 20, and apply. Now, all products will have a price of 20. If you choose Empty, the field value for all selected records will be cleared. Simple, right? That covers editing all records. But what if you only want to edit certain records? In this case, you can use Edit Filtered Records. To edit filtered records, start by applying the filters. Let's say you want to move products from the drinking water category to purified water. First, filter all products in the drinking water category. Click the filter icon and add conditions to filter products in the drinking water category. Once filtered, click Batch Edit and select Filter Data. Choose the product type field, select Fixed Value, and pick Purified Water from the drop-down list. After clicking OK, wait a few seconds, and you'll see the filtered records have been successfully updated. By now, you have gained a basic understanding of how to batch edit. Ready to give it a try? Explore the Batch Edit feature today and discover a smarter way to manage your workflows in Jodoo. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. There are more useful videos to help you get started with speed and ease.